Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's so good to see you. Welcome to day 3 of our 30-day English challenge. I hope you're ready. Today, we'll talk about family.
Family? Oh, that's nice. I like talking about family.
Great. It's a very common topic. We use it often.
So, what will we learn?
We'll learn some new words and simple sentences to describe our family.
Like parents?
Yes, exactly. Parents and brothers and sisters.
Oh, okay. I see.
We can say I have. For example, I have one brother.
I have one brother.
Perfect. You're doing great. We can also say I have for sisters too.
I have 2 sisters.
Wonderful. See, it's not difficult. We'll also talk about mothers and fathers.
So, I have one mother.
Yes, and I have one father.
That's easy.
Exactly. We'll start with the basics. Just simple words. For now,
Okay, I'm ready.
let's begin. Welcome back, everyone. Today we talk about family. It's a great topic for beginners. Ava, can you tell us about your family?
Yes, Andrew. I have a family. It's a small family.
Oh, nice. Tell us.
I have a mother. And I have a father. They are my parents.
Great. So, mother and father.
Yes. And I have one brother.
One brother. Is he older or younger?
He is younger. His name is Tom.
Tom. Nice to meet Tom, virtually.
He is 10 years old.
Wow, 10. He's still a kid.
Yes. He likes to play.
That's good. And do you have sisters?
No, I don't have sisters. Just Tom.
Okay. So, parents and one younger brother. That's your immediate family. We say immediate family.
Immediate family.
Yes. It's the people you live with.
Immediate family.
Exactly.
So, you will tell us about your family now?
Yes, Ava. I'll talk about my immediate family.
What is immediate family?
It's your parents, brothers, and sisters.
Oh, okay.
I have one sister. Her name is Lily.
Lily? That's a nice name.
Yes, it is. She is younger than me.
How much younger?
She is 5 years younger.
Wow.
And I have 2 parents.
2 parents.
My mother is a doctor.
A doctor? That's important work.
Yes, she helps many people.
And your father?
My father is a teacher.
A teacher. Like you.
Huh, yes, a little bit.
So, a sister, a mother, and a father.
That's my immediate family.
Do you have pets?
Oh yes, we have a dog.
A dog. What's its name?
His name is Max.
Max cute.
He's a very happy dog.
I love dogs.
Me too. So that's my family.
Thank you, Andrew.
So, Ava, we talked about parents and siblings. You have a brother, right?
Yes, I have one brother.
Great. And I have one sister. So we both have siblings. But some people don't have brothers or sisters.
Oh?
Yes. They are the only child.
Only child?
Yes. It means one child in the family. No brothers, no sisters.
I see.
Just one. So, if you have no brothers or sisters, you are an only child.
So, I am not an only child.
That's right. You have a brother. Let's practice this phrase. Repeat after me. I am an only child.
I am an only child.
Very good. For example, my friend Maria. Maria is an only child. She has no brothers and no sisters.
So Maria is an only child.
Exactly. And you, Ava? Are you an only child?
No, I am not an only child.
Perfect. Because you have a brother.
Yes,
You're doing great.
thank you.
So, Ava, you told us about your parents.
Yes, my mother and father.
Great. Now, let's talk about brothers and sisters.
Siblings.
Exactly. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do.
Oh, wonderful. How many?
I have one brother and one sister.
That's nice. So, you have two siblings.
Yes, two.
Let's describe them. Tell me about your brother first.
He's older than me.
He's older. That's a good phrase.
He's older than me.
My older brother is tall.
Okay. My brother is also tall.
Good. And your sister?
She is younger.
She's younger. Very good.
She is younger than me.
My younger sister loves to draw.
My sister likes to play games.
That's fun. So, one older brother.
Yes. And one younger sister.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Thank you.
So, you have an older brother and a younger sister.
Yes. It's good.
It's good to have siblings.
I agree.
Now, let's think about our next topic. Right. So we've talked about immediate family.
Yeah, like mom, dad, brothers, sisters.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about parents.
Okay. How can I talk about my parents?
We can start with their jobs.
Jobs? What if they don't work?
That's fine. You can say they are at home.
Oh, I see. So, my dad is a teacher.
Great. And your mom?
My mom is a doctor.
Very good. So, you can say, my dad is a teacher.
My dad is a teacher.
And, my mom is a doctor.
My mom is a doctor.
You can also talk about what they do for you.
What do you mean?
Like, who helps you?
My parents help me a lot.
Perfect. So, you can say, my parents help me.
My parents help me.
Or, they help me.
They help me.
This is a very useful phrase. They take care of me.
They take care of me.
Yes. For example, my parents take care of me.
My parents take care of me.
It means they look after you.
Oh, I understand. Like feeding me.
Exactly. And keeping you safe.
So, my parents are very important.
Yes, they are. So, Ava, we talked about your parents.
Yes, my mom and dad.
Great. And do you have grandparents?
Oh, yes.
Wonderful. How do you say grandparents in English?
Grandparents?
Yes, that's right. Grandparents.
Grandparents.
Very good. And you can say my grandparents.
My grandparents.
Exactly. For example, my grandparents live in the country.
My grandparents live in the country.
Perfect. So, do you want to tell me about your grandparents?
They are very old.
That's okay. We can say my grandmother and my grandfather.
Grandmother? Grandfather?
Yes. Your mother's mother is your grandmother.
Ah, I see. My grandmother.
And your father's father is your grandfather.
My grandfather.
So, you have a grandmother and a grandfather?
Yes. 2 grandmothers and 2 grandfathers.
Oh, wow. That's 4 grandparents.
Yes.
You can say, I have 4 grandparents.
I have 4 grandparents.
Lovely. So, maybe your grandmother is nice.
Yes, she's very nice.
Great. And your grandfather?
He is funny.
Perfect. So, you can say my grandmother is nice.
My grandmother is nice.
And my grandfather is funny.
My grandfather is funny.
Great. You talked about your grandfather. Today, we'll talk about families more. Sometimes, families are very close.
Close? Like they are near each other?
Well, yes, but it's more about feelings. They love each other very much. They spend a lot of time together. They help each other too. We have a phrase for this. It's close-knit family.
Close-knit family.
Yes, that's right. It means the family is very connected. They are like a team.
A team? Like in sports?
Exactly. A supportive team. My family is a close-knit family. We always eat dinner together. We talk about our day.
That sounds very nice.
It is. We are very happy. Do you think your family is like that?
I think so. My parents, my brother, and me. We like to do things together. Like watching movies.
Oh, that's wonderful. So you have a close-knit family too.
Close-knit family.
Yes, you got it. It's a lovely way to be. So Ava, you know about immediate family and grandparents.
Yeah, I do. That was helpful.
Great. And we learned a useful phrase.
What was it again?
It's close-knit family.
Close-knit family.
Exactly. It means a family that is very close.
Oh, I see. Like they like to spend time together.
Yes, that's a big part of it.
So, can I use it for my family?
I'd love to hear you try.
My family is a close-knit family.
That's perfect.
We often eat dinner together.
That's a great example.
And we talk about our day.
Very good.
My brother and I are very close.
So you're a close-knit family too.
Yeah, I think so.
It's a lovely way to be.
It is. I like my family.
And how about your aunts and uncles?
Oh, they are part of our family too.
Right. So maybe your extended family.
Yes, my extended family.
Do you see them often?
Sometimes. We have big parties.
Parties are good for family.
Yes, they are very fun.
Okay, Ava. That's really good.
Thank you, Andrew.
So, we talked about parents and grandparents.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about other family members.
Like aunts and uncles?
Exactly. And cousins.
Oh, right.
We can describe them with simple words.
Like what?
Like tall or short.
Okay.
Or funny. Do you have a funny aunt?
Maybe. My Aunt Maria is very funny.
Great. So you can say, my Aunt Maria is funny.
My Aunt Maria is funny.
Good. What about kind?
Kind? Like nice?
Yes, exactly. Very nice.
My Uncle David is very kind.
Perfect. My Uncle David is kind.
My Uncle David is kind.
You're doing great, Ava.
Thanks.
We can also say they are smart.
Smart? Like clever?
Yes. Very clever.
My cousin Leo is smart.
Fantastic. My cousin Leo is smart.
My cousin Leo is smart.
Lovely. So, we talked about our families.
Yeah, it was fun.
Now, let's learn to ask about other people's families.
Oh, good. I want to ask questions.
Great. The first question is simple. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. I have one brother.
Oh, nice.
It's easy to ask. What about you, Ava? Do you have brothers or sisters?
No, I don't.
So, you're an only child.
Yeah, I am.
That's okay. You can ask, are you an only child?
Am I an only child?
No, you ask them. Are you an only child?
Ah, right. Are you an only child?
Perfect. If they say yes, then you know. If they say no, you can ask more. Like, how many brothers do you have?
How many brothers do you have?
Or, how many sisters do you have?
How many sisters do you have?
Exactly. You can also ask about parents. Do you have parents?
That's a funny question.
Huh. Yes, it is. But you can ask about their parents. Do you live with your parents?
No, I don't. I live alone.
Oh, you live alone. That's good.
Yes. So, Andrew, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one sister.
One sister. Is she older or younger?
She's older than me. She's my older sister.
Your older sister. Is she married?
Yes, she is. She's married with 2 children.
Oh, 2 children. That's nice. Do you see her often?
Not very often. She lives far away.
I see. Does she live in a different city?
Yes, she does. She lives in another city.
Okay. Do your parents live in the same city as you?
No, they don't. They live in a different town.
A different town. Do you visit them often?
Yes, I do. I visit them every month.
That's good. Do you have a big family, Andrew?
Well, I have my parents, my sister, and her family.
Right. What about aunts and uncles?
Oh yes. I have a big extended family.
Extended family.
Yes, my aunt, my uncle, their children.
I see. Do you often meet your extended family?
Not often, but we meet for holidays.
That sounds nice. Do you have any cousins?
Oh yes, many cousins.
Many cousins. Are you close to your cousins?
Some of them, yes. We grew up together.
That's nice. So, tell me about your grandparents.
My mother's parents are still alive.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So, Ava, today we talked a lot about family.
Yes, Andrew. It was very interesting.
Let's do a quick review.
Okay.
What are parents?
Mom and dad.
Good. And siblings?
Brothers and sisters.
Exactly. And an only child?
No brothers or sisters.
Perfect. Now, we learned a special phrase.
Oh, yes.
It's about families that are very close. We say they are a close-knit family.
A close-knit family.
Yes, it means you help each other.
I see.
You spend a lot of time together.
Like a team?
Yes, a good comparison.
So, my family is a close-knit family.
That's great, Ava.
We eat dinner together every night.
That's a wonderful example.
And we play games on Sundays.
That shows you're close.
It's nice.
It really is.
So, close-knit family means very close.
You've got it.
Thank you, Andrew.
You're welcome, Ava.
Today was good.
Yes, it was.
We talked about family.
We did.
And grandparents.
And parents, too.
And siblings.
Right.
And the phrase close-knit family.
That's it.
It means a family is very near.
Exactly. Like, my family is a close-knit family.
Oh, I see.
It's a good phrase.
It is.
So, that's the end of day 3.
Already?
Yes, time flies.
I learned a lot.
Me too, Ava.
Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you, Ava.
And thank you, listeners.
Yes, thank you everyone.
We hope you enjoyed it.
We really do.
Come back tomorrow for day 4.
Yes, please do.
It will be fun.
Goodbye for now.